Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to redact an image in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. I'll redact this image. Click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here. Now click on this redact arrow. Here you will find this properties option. First I'll choose this reduction color. The dialog box. Click on this appearance option. Here you will find this color option. Click here and choose your color you want to redact. Now select OK and drag your mouse cursor and select area, image area, and see this preview and simply select apply and let's select price, select OK, save as a PDF file, save, and see this our image is now redacted. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.